Healthmusk.com presents, review, Elemis Pro-collagen Marine Cream. Is it really worth it? Let's find out. I was a bit skeptical before using it, but it's a lightweight, yet highly hydrating gel cream formula, designed to firm up the skin and target signs of aging fast. Since Pro-collagen Marine Cream targets the visible signs of aging, it's ideal for those who are keen to tackle fine lines, dullness and lack of tone. However, its lightweight and hydrating formula means it's suitable for most different ages and skin types. Now let's see what it's made up of. The key ingredients include a Mediterranean brown algae called Padina pavonica, arguably the hero ingredient, apart from that rose, and mimosa absolute sand, ginkgo biloba for protection against free radicals. While using this cream for a long time, I came to know, this is also one of the best-selling moisturizer, boasts a plethora of potent anti-aging ingredients, to soften wrinkles, firm, tone and hydrate for visible results in 14 days. Now why, it is known for one of the best anti-aging creams. Let me share my experience with you. I came to know that, it's clinically proven, the powerful anti-aging ingredients of Pro-collagen Marine Cream have been shown to reduce the depth of wrinkles, improve skin firmness, tone and hydration in 14 days. As I said earlier, the unique Mediterranean algae, Padina pavonica, is blended with ginkgo biloba, providing superior free radical protection, has been blended with precious rose and mimosa absolutes, thus creating the ultimate anti-aging cream. My experience, when I first used it, I thought that it might be too rich, too heavy, because of the anti-aging nature of the product, but in fact it was light and non-oily, and it absorbed instantly into my skin. If you want a lighter anti-aging cream, that won't overload your skin, then this one is gorgeous. I especially like the smell. It's quite powerfully fragranced, but the scent is totally natural, and it makes me feel as though I'm giving myself a bit of a treat. The Pro-collagen Marine Cream is a bit of a cult product. It's an all-singing, all-suiting moisturizer that is too rich, but still packs a powerful punch, and for that I think that it deserves maximum beauty respect. It's perfect to use underneath makeup, as it does not leave a residue, just perfectly smooth and hydrated for skin. If you have used this cream, please share your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to our channel.